Welcome fam. If your hips feel jammed up, your back stiff, or your hips feel heavy first thing in the morning, that's not age, that's disconnection. Your hips are the command center of movement. This 5-minute flow will wake them up. Let's hit the mat. Let's activate everything around the hip joint without overthinking it. Get onto all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Lift your right knee out to the side like you're opening a gate. Lower back down, keep your spine neutral and squeeze your glute at the top. Now switch sides halfway. Did you know that this move trains all 3 glute muscles, not just the big one? That means more support for your lower back and a better hip control. Feel the burn? Don't drop yet. 5 more seconds. That just lit up your glutes. Now let's unlock your internal rotation. Get into a low squat position. This is one of the most overlooked movements in hip health and one of the most important. Drop into a squat position. Drop your right knee towards your left foot. Then come back to center and alternate. Move slowly and with control. It's not about speed, it's about range. Beginners stay tall. Advanced switches hover slightly above the ground to add a challenge. Did you know that internal rotation is one of the biggest predictors of hip pain? Stay in it. 5 more seconds. This movement builds protection. We just gained control, now let's add a layer of movement. Now, let's challenge balance and hip range at the same time. Stand tall, bring one knee up towards your chest, rotate the knee outward or inward like you're stepping over a hurdle. Switch sides, one at a time, controlled. You'll feel this challenge your core, hips and brain, especially if you slept stiff or sat all day yesterday. Advanced switches, close your eyes for 1 rep. Seriously, try it. Do you feel wobbly or smooth? Your nervous system is learning with every step. That just rewires your brain-body link. Now let's go deeper. Time to play a little game. Can you stay tall, smooth and silent? Start in a tall kneeling position. Sit your hips back to your heels, then squeeze your glutes and rise back up. Control the descent. Don't just drop. This move strengthens hip extension, the foundation of walking, running and posture. We're about to release everything we just activated. Push through. 5 more seconds. This one builds power. That just gave your hips drive. Now let's lengthen and let go. Final move, this is your cool down. Your exhale, your reward. Stand tall, hinge at the hips, fold forward. Let your head hang. Bend your knees if you need to. Sway gently side to side. Let gravity help. Feel the back line of your body, the hamstrings, calves and spine releasing. Forward folds activate the parasympathetic nervous system. That means less stress, more clarity. Can you stay in that stillness for 5 more seconds? You've made it. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy Even when you sleep 8 hours, when you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that help reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, all delivered daily to your email inbox, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.